when these birds got together. Kookaburras are getting excited to meet you later on. So, ooh. What are you doing at? She's so excited she yelled and spewed out a worm. There you go. That's a call of the curlew, which we never get on display. So that's pretty cool. She was able to show you that. So they're sometimes called wailing woman birds because of that long drawn out eerie call. They're all nocturnal birds, the ones that I've got out for you now. So frogmouse and curlews are active nocturnally, hence the big yellow eyes for finding their prey at night time. They are also predatory birds. So we're going to show you a raptor up next, but I promise we'll get up to them. But these birds aren't actually raptors yet either, so they're hunting with their beak instead of their feet. And they're both beautifully designed to camouflage. So frogmouse in amongst the trees, blending in with the tree branches, and your curlews down on the ground, blending in with the leaf litter instead. Now frogmouse can do a couple of holds for you guys. Is there anybody that would like to come on up, including kids, that would like to come up and have a hold of our frogmouse? Just pop your head up in the air, give it a go. Come on up. Grab a glove over that side. Anybody else? Got one more person on this side? You want to come up? Yeah. You can grab the other glove on that side. You're going to come and have a go on this side, so you can grab one on that side. You can come up as well. You guys can grab the gloves on that side. And then we'll give our frogmouth and have a small show. I'm done. I'm going to slide them onto your glove, and if you'd like to pat them, you can. Just use the back of your hand. The reason that we... Going to come over here, get some photos. The reason that we use the back of our hand when we're patting our birds today is because we've got a lot of oils in our fingertips. So use the back of your hand, that's the way. They can strip away the water-resistant oils that they coat over their feathers. So by using the back of your hand, you're keeping their feathers in really good condition, keeping them looking beautiful like they are now. Where are you going, Donnie? Go for a bath. And yeah, keep them nice and water resistant in the winter time when it starts raining as well. Good bowling, Donald. Okay, good bird. Thank you. No worries. Thank you. Good fly catcher too. Thank you. So these birds are, like I said, they're nocturnal birds. They're hunting at night time. They're often mistaken for owls for that reason, but they're not actually owls at all. Their closest relation is the nightjar family, which is another family of nocturnal bird that hunts using their beak rather than their feet. So all your owls are raptorial hunters. We'll meet one of them up next and have a look at the difference between their feet when you... Yes, we've heard enough from you, Donald. Yeah, okay, come over here and have some more worms. Like, hurry up with the food, Mum. So have a look at the difference in their feet, whereas our frogmouse are using their big old beak for capturing their prey. So I can pick them up barehanded because they don't have talons, so it doesn't hurt me at all. Just little claws at the end there. Do you want to hold one? No. Okay. Anybody else? Come on, guys. Come on. You don't have to. Yeah, come on up. You don't have to. That's fine. Anybody else want to have a go with the frogmouth? That's going to be very easy to take care of today. Yeah, you can come on up as well if you like.